Do you and your partner have different expectations for how you should handle living apart? For example, do you fight about how often you talk or how you can keep the connection despite the distance? Or has living apart interfered with one or both of you feeling emotionally close? If so, this video will help you identify how to address those concerns.
Our Relationship
with Dr. Brian Doss. Living apart from a partner is never easy. Because you may go a long time without seeing each other, the literal distance can often create emotional distance, or a feeling that this relationship is not a priority to one or both partners. It can also create a problem when one partner's expectations about long distance is different from the others. These issues often create the following cycle. We call it, we love each other, but it doesn't always feel like a relationship. So you may both want to feel closer, but don't know how to make it happen. Or you may fight about one partner caring more about staying connected. Additionally, when you are together, it might be hard to prioritize couple time while also trying to spend time with friends and family. So what do? Well, the more you fight about long distance, the more frustration or hurt you may feel. Additionally, long distance can make it harder to share the mundane, day-to-day activities, challenges, and accomplishments of each of your lives, which can lead to feeling disconnected and to feeling lonely. Here are some tips to help your long-distance relationship go better. First, talk about your day. Geographically close couples often talk about the little events in life that have happened to them or that are upcoming, which over time builds closeness and intimacy. We know what's going on in our partner's days and we can check in after the day is done. However, when in a long-distance relationship, it can be easy to forget to include your partner in these small life details. So, start every call taking 5 minutes to ask each other how your days were and to share in each other's worlds, even when you're miles apart. The second tip is make the minutes count. Long-distance couples often think that talking all the time is the solution to their feeling of disconnectedness. But sometimes this can actually create more problems. Think about it. When you live close to someone, you likely don't call them every 5 minutes to say hi. Instead, you probably wait until something big happens or after work or school to talk. So one recommendation then is to prioritize quality of conversation over quantity. If you're always on the phone with nothing to say, you may start resenting each other. Instead, make the most of the calls you have, and when you are on the phone with each other, share your day, talk about how much you miss each other, or talk about your shared values and interests. Additionally, consider being creative by sending each other pictures, audio clips, or videos. When you each put it on in this effort to stay connected, you're both more likely to feel loved and attended to. The third tip is set some ground rules. Long-distance couples often differ on how much time to spend on the phone, how much to say, whether to use the phone or a video call, and who's coming for the next visit. This can often cause a lot of tension. If this is true for the two of you, discuss your expectations for how you can both feel fulfilled in the relationship, rather than just trying to figure it out as you move along. The fourth tip is mix up your time together. When you're together, try to do activities alone, just the two of you, as well as activities together with friends or family. When one person is long distance, it's important that that person get to know the friends and family and be a part of their partner's social life. That way, when the partner talks about things that have happened with friends or family, the long distance person can know those people and can be involved in the conversation. Involving the long distance person in the partner's social life also communicates to the other person that your relationship is important, potentially protecting you against unwanted advances by other potential partners who may see you as someone they can have a relationship because your partner's out of town. The fifth tip is date each other even though you're miles apart. Geographically close couples often prioritize date nights every once in a while. Don't let the miles between the two of you stop you from doing the same. There are plenty of activities that can be done, such as watching a TV show at the same time or playing an online game that will allow you to take each other out on a date or feel connected.